Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to put location on story. Today I will show you how to do this. Alright, first of all, make a picture. From here, tap on the third tab right on the side and then tap on add location. From here, tap the location that you want to add. Tap on that location, send to, my story public, and then send to. So now he is sending this story to my story, or this picture to my story. And now when I go to my account left in the top and then tap on my story, you will see just right here that he added my location in my story. This is how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give it a like, and thanks for watching.